Hi students, this is VLSI Design. Today's our topic is sequential circuits presented by Subhashamini Devi. After completion of sequential circuits, students will be able to explain the combinational logic, explain the difference between sequential and combinational logic. Here we are shown the two combinations of circuits. The first one is a combinational circuit and the second one is a sequential circuit. What is the difference between the combinational and sequential means? In this combinational logic, we are having only depend on the present input. If the present input only present output is depend only the present input. But in the sequential circuit, that present and the past input is depend on the output. Output is depend only the present and past input. That past input means we are giving the feedback to present input is given to the feedback to the next input state to the combinational logic. And once again we are include one memory element. For example, that memory element is replaced by flip-flop also. Flip-flop is also acting as a memory. That's why we are using the sequential logic. Next, we are having some type of latches. What are the types of latches? Is Pratham means SR latch, D flip-flop, D latch, T flip-flop, and JR flip-flop. Here we are first going to set and reset latch. It's shown in replaced by NOR gate equation. NOR gate implementation is shown here. It's a feedback to input and output session. Cross section of feedback path is enabled in the set and replace, set and reset latches. Here the truth. Next we are giving the truth table of NAND is here. That NOR is replaced by NAND gate and NAND is implementation is shown here and then figure is shown in the diagram. Next, what is the timing diagram of the set and latch is shown here. What is the input is given yes and raw, or at the same time what is the output we are getting in the Q and QR. Already we showed in the truth table of SR flip-flop, like that we are giving the timing diagram also. Next, SR latches characteristics. Finally, we are having the final expression of SR latch. How to draw, find out the or how to derive the final expression from the truth table means we are having the truth table of SR flip-flop. Then this SR latch truth table is drawn by the K-map and K-map implementation is done here, and then after that we derive the final expression from K-map implementation. The final expression of SR equal to Q dash equal to S plus R dash into Q. This is the final expression of the SR latch. Final expression is important in CMOS implementation. After that only we are enabled to implement the CMOS implementation. Next, gated SR latch is enabled here. Gate is also shown here. After that, SR latch is shown. This is the latch, and then here gated structure is shown here. After that, that gated SR latch truth table is shown here. After that, derive the K-map implementation. After that, we are having the final expression of gated SR latch. Here shown the final expression about the gated SR latch. How to get from this expression means after implementation of or after solve the K-map implementation, after that only we get the final expression. Next one we are going to discuss the D latch, that's been delay latch. Delay latch is also giving the same input is given and then NOT gate. After that same input is given, NOT gate's second gate and then same as the SR latch. Here SR latch is connected, here that input only differ from the XOR latch. This is called the D latch. That means delay latch. After that, characteristics truth table is shown here. After that, draw the K-map of the truth table and implementation. Then K-map simplification. Finally, we get the D latch expression. Final expression of D latch equal to Q dash equal to DC plus C dash into Q. This is the final expression of D latch. Then timing diagram of the D latch is shown here. When that D latch is that truth table, when 0 is present at the time clock is also enabled, and then how that output is changing the expression. Just we are giving the final expression just in derived from each and every input is shown here. Though, so substitute that values in the expression and find out the timing diagram. Then master slave circuit. Here master slave circuit, first one is acting as the master and the second one is acting as the slave. The resistor consists of cascading a negative latch, it's a master, and with a positive latch is the slave. Then truth table and timing diagrams are shown here. After that, truth table of SR master slave flip-flop. After solving this one, find out the final expression. This final expression is same as the SR latches. And how to replace the master slave using the D flip-flop, that's shown here. Same diagram like that first, but replaced by two section master and slave. Here first one is acting as the master and second one is acting as the slave. Next one, the combination of that truth table and then timing diagram of master slave shown here. Then pulse trigger JK flip-flop is shown here. This is the pulse triggering JK flip-flop characteristic shown here. Here implementation of K-map and then find out the same thing followed by the each and every flip-flops. Then a pulse triggered JK flip-flop realization. This is a dual positive edge trigger D flip-flop is shown here. And then like that we are having the same structure is shown. Edge trigger. How to connected the D flip-flop, JK flip-flop like shown. Then edge trigger, that edge trigger means here using the cross section, the output is given to the next one's input and this one is given to this input. Like that we are having the JK flip-flop logic is shown here. It's a JK flip-flop. Then we are cross section is enabled in the edge triggered. Then negative edge triggered T flip-flop is shown. So T flip-flop is replaced by the JK flip-flop. Same thing we are using one. This is enabled means this is enabled as acting as a T flip-flop. That's why we are using the JK. Then edge triggers T flip-flop's characteristics equation is derived from the K-map implementation and then truth table. Here the T flip-flop's final timing diagram like that shown in here. Already we know that how to draw the final expression and then derive the K-map implementation, how to derive from the K-map implementation final expression, after that how to draw the timing diagrams. Then some of the flip-flops and the final expressions are shown here. All the latches is shown and then final expression is important. This is the important one shown in here. Thank you. Finally, we get the quiz question of that portion, difference between the synchronous and asynchronous circuits. Thank you, students.